Josh is trying to get the chickens away so Annie doesn't shoot them accidentally.
Chickens, if you know what's good for you, you'll move. I can't.
Yeah, you can do it, babe.
Do it quick.
It's not bad.
Hurry before the ducks.
You missed the can.
How was that, Annie? Did you put anything in your ears?
Oh, I forgot about that. I don't know if I want to.
Okay.
I'm a little bit shook up for my last.
How was it? Mark.
A battle wound.
I witnessed it.
She saw it.
Yep.
She can attest.
Nice.
Maybe I'm not made to be a shooter.